Hey guys, I'm showing you this VRURC 10,000 milliampere power bank. This is a model T1159 and I'm just doing the unboxing. So this is mentioned like the capacity is 10,000 and the high density lithium polymer. Charging time is around 3 hours. So let me open this now. So the good thing with this is I think is they have the port itself, so you don't need to put any of this other cables. So this comes in really nice packing. This is the manual, sticker, this is the power bank and the carry case. So this is the carry case that comes with it, so you can easily transport it. Nice case. And this one is your battery pack, is a little like gray color, and that's really nice. For the charging you can use this, so that's also good because you can just directly plug into this power socket, as I can show it here. It directly goes into the power socket. And here you can see like the indicator for the charging. So see, like this is blinking, so this is charging like half and the third portion is charging right now. And for the other, you can see like you can also charge this through this USB cable, and then the out is the USB here. So let me just take it out just so I can show you more. And here you can see that you can just close this one. You can take out this port. This is a micro USB port, and I can show like if you just keep on the charging thing. So say here it's a micro USB. So I put in this and see it start charging. So basically I will say it's a nice thing that you can directly charge with the port. You don't need to carry any other cable with you. You can just slide in and it goes well inside. So it also have a USB-C charging, as you can see, as soon as you plugged in, and this will just show up. This phone is totally dead, so that's why it is taking more time. And you can also press this start button if you want to switch anything. So you can see the indicators. So the battery thing is started, so charging started here. So basically you can use this for anything you want, and it's really handy. And this have a lightning charge, so say if you want to use it for iPhone, yeah, it start charging. And you can see the indicators here. Let's start coming up. So it's a nice thing like to have handy. So micro USB, USB-C, and another like lightning cable. You can also use any of this, like the USB, and then you can also charge it through the USB-C here. And I like the short portable design, like you can see in the hand how this feels. And also the charging thing is pretty easy. So just put in the socket and the charging will start, like say. The indicator, the charging, and you can still use all the cables from the side. This is a carry case. You can just put in this and it's ready to go. So I will say it's a pretty nice battery backup thing that you can use, high efficiency, and basically it have all the cables inside. Hope you like this, and if you have any question you can ask us or ask me. we will here to answer everything, and just to show like the ratings here so that you know. It's very nice battery backup.